Okay, this is the arm pin. This is what I use for connecting between the arms. Also the cylinder. There is also a cylinder. I'll tell about it later. There are 10. Okay, then there are the front light parts. It's made of 4 parts: front light bulb, front light case, bulb cover. Then there is front light glass. Okay, first I'll tell about the front light bulb. It's just a light bulb. This one I drew the shape like this and revolved it. That's it. Then there is the bulb base cover. Okay, this is the cover in which the bulb stays. Okay, then there are 2 of these. This is also done using revolved bows. I just created a sketch like this part, and then revolved it. That's it. Then there is the case of the bulb. It encases the light bulb. There are 2 of these. This is also done by using revolved bows. I drew a sketch from like this part and then revolved it. That's it. Then there is the front light glass. There are 2 of these. This is also done using revolved bows. I have used hexagonal flange nut to connect. I just made a shape like this and revolved it, so it will come around like this. Then I made a plane over here, and from there I sketched this pattern like this. I sketched like this part, and I used extruded bows. Then I used circular pattern for getting it all over the tire. Then it was little bit not like what I wanted, so what I did, I used revolved cut to make it proper. Okay, so this is the rim. Okay, this is the base to mount the tire actually. Then there are 4 of these. This one I did using revolved bows. Okay, I just drew a sketch like this, top part only, then I revolved it. Yeah, then I have filleted the edges here and there. Okay, then this is the axle. This is used to rotate the tire. Then there is the cylinder parts. It's made of 2 parts: cylinder rod and cylinder body. The cylinder rod will help move the arm. It's connected to the arm. It helps the motion of the arm. Then there are the cabin parts. Mainly 3 parts: cabin, cabin cap, and cabin pin. So this is the cabin. This is the part where the driver will be inside this. They will sit inside this actually. I used extrude again for this part. I just extruded a little bit. So then I drew one of these squares, and I used linear pattern to make it like this. That's it. Then here on top for the glass also I have extruded. Then for this handle I have used swept bows. Here also I have used extruded bows. So I drew this sketch like this and extruded it. Then I used extruded cut to get this groove on top, and I used linear pattern. Then there is the main body, back support and back cover with light. Okay, this is the main body. So what I did here, I just drew it like this shape. First I drew this part and I extruded it. Then I made this part using extrude. Then what I did, from the top plane I drew it like this and used extruded here also. After that I used extruded cut to create this cuts and use linear pattern over here. Then I created this part using extruded bows, and then here for these handles I used swept, and this steering also I used extrude and just filleted it to give it that smooth round shape. That's it. I used a sketch like this and extruded it. Then I used extruded cut to get this shape. And for the button, I just used extruded boss with draft at an angle. And yeah, that's it. Okay, then this is the back support. This just stays behind the cabin, and this is also done using extruded boss, and I filleted it.
And all the parts you have modeled, right?
Yeah, I have modeled.
You have it outsourced in parts, so it's a good thing.
Okay.
You come from scratch,
Yeah.
and it's good. Good job.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.